Hello, I'm Jeremy Gaeta. I'm gonna show you simple method on when how to replace fan motor bearings. So let's see. Okay. Okay. So we have here an old window type AC. I removed the fan motor. As you can see, this one. It's very old AC unit. So here it is. That's your fan motor. I remove the bolts. So that's this one here works smoothly, and the bearing at the bottom can't rotate. It's stuck. You can't even move it. So that's the one we need to replace. Okay, let's try to remove the armature. I'm just using very small screwdriver here, and it's very stuck. Got a lot of rust on that shafting and bearings. Okay. Let's use our hammer here. Come on. Okay, stuck shafting here. So let's try to push it there. Come on, yes. So I got the armature off the casing. That's stuck one. Can't rotate this. It's a miracle this motor survives. So that's the bearing we need to replace. We have to remove this bearing of the shafting so we can replace a new one. Okay, let's try to remove it. It's just using pliers, a long nose, and use the door hammer. Let's move it down. Very smoothly. Okay, again. Okay. Okay, do it until you get the bearing off the shafting. Now you can just hammer a Phillips screw on top of the shafting to remove it completely. Remove the old broken bearings, so we need a new one. This one is in 608 type ball bearing here. So let's get the new one. So we have the new one. It's number 608 ball bearing. So let's just get this on the shafting. Let's drop it down again with a hammer door. Life of an AC technician is fun, you know. All this technical stuff. You don't have to have skill in doing this. You can replace it completely on your own. Okay. So, one more. Come on. Okay, come on. So I'm having a hard time installing the new bearing. Okay, alright. Okay. Okay. Let's just use this wrench handle so I can locate the new bearing to its position, to its right position. You don't have to worry about a thing. This one shafting has a clip on it. There you have it. Just push it. Push it until you reach that clip, and you're done. Okay, let's put back the armature to the fan motor. Okay. Now do this smoothly. Okay, let's put it back in casing. Even Tone Stark will have a hard time repairing this. Oh shit. Yeah. Don't know what this is for. Well, it's a bearing washer. Yeah, these designers and engineers do things without informing the technicians. Well, you just have to put back all the parts, all the components together, so you can avoid problems in the future. Okay. Okay, just a little adjustment. You have to align these things, so you can rotate freely. Okay, just make sure it rotates freely before putting the bolt on. Okay, just make sure it runs smoothly. Okay. Check it carefully. If it doesn't run smoothly, well, the motor windings will burn and you will have a bigger problem than the bearings. So make sure it rotates freely. This is getting me a hard time. Okay. This one misalignment can ruin the rotation of the shafts. Okay, let's put back the bolt on. These bolts are very small. You can't even grip it properly. Very small. All they want to reduce cost. That's why they produce very small bolts. Okay. Okay, let's put the fan blades on. Fan blades back. Oh shit. Well, anyways, we have this clip, so let's put it back so that the fan blades will rotate together with the shafting. Okay, let's put it back. Okay, now the condenser fan blades. Same procedure. Shove it down the shaft and put back the clip on. And okay, let's try to test it. So I put it back, the fan, and plug it to its control box so we can test if it's working. And then it's working. Yeah. Very nice. Very good rotation. Thank you very much for watching. God bless.